What's going on YouTube? My name is Elias. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel down below. Really help me out. Today we're going to be talking about traffic, how you can start driving traffic through your funnel so you can promote your products or services that you're recommending. Now this is really crucial, right? You can be giving away free Lamborghini, you can give away free $1,000 or whatever it is, but if you can't drive traffic to your website or through your funnel, then no one's gonna know what's going on. No one's gonna know that you're giving away something for free, or no one's gonna know that you're essentially promoting an awesome product or service that you're recommending. So if you want to get those commissions, if you want to up your affiliate marketing game, you need to know how to drive
We talked
traffic. So
about
let's get
building a
right into
funnel.
it.
We talked about email autoresponders. We talked about how you can integrate all this. We talked about putting your affiliate links in your funnel. So when everyone goes through, you're going to get credit. You're going to get that commission. Now, the most important part is the traffic, because you can be giving away free Lamborghinis to anyone who goes through your funnel and lands on that website or product or service or wherever, right? But who's gonna know that you're giving away free Lamborghinis? Who's gonna know? Who's gonna find out that you're giving away free Lamborghinis if you can't drive traffic? If you can't get someone a reasoning to go through your funnel and grab that free Lamborghini. So my point of this is there's multiple ways to drive traffic, and knowing the right ways and what works for you is crucial in your success in your affiliate marketing business. So let's talk about the ways that you can drive traffic. Reality, there are two ways. There's organic methods. And I'll talk about both a little bit here. There's organic methods and there's what are called paid ads or non-organic, right? Organic or non-organic. Organic is completely free. 100% organic means it is completely free. You don't have to spend a dime to someone to, look at your content and go through your funnel. It is completely free, and this usually can be done through social platforms. Or ads is something you can be done that you pay an amount per click that someone clicks and goes to your website or your funnel. Now let's talk about the organic ways, the free traffic. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have Telegram, we have YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. You got emails and you got blogs. This is just a small number of social platforms that you can get on to do 100% organic methods. Now, what I would suggest as a beginner, if you're watching this video, you're an absolute beginner. So what I would suggest is starting off with organic methods. There's main reasons for this. Number one is to test the product that you have, test the service that you have, test whatever you're promoting, to test it out, see if it's converting, see if it's a good method or if it's a good product. Because what happens, you send free traffic through your funnel and to the product's website. And if it converts, awesome. Now you didn't spend a dime to get that product to convert or test that product. But what happens if you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on ads and you find out that product doesn't convert or that product isn't very good? Now you're down the drain with $1,000 of ads and you test a product that you possibly didn't know if it would work. This method, organic method, allows you to test, allows you to run, allows you to adjust your funnel, adjust everything that you need to do for completely free. What I would suggest, any of these work. You got TikTok, you got Instagram, you got YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, blogs, whatever it is. I would suggest is choose one. Choose one. Obviously, TikTok is huge right now. The virality of it is you can post a video and get millions of views in a matter of minutes and hours and days, which is why so many marketers, so many people are on it. But if that doesn't work for you, you can choose whatever video format, like I said, video format like TikTok, YouTube. You can do picture format like Instagram or Pinterest, or just words, right? Like Twitter, Facebook, and blogs. Those are all different methods that you can use or integrate to each other. Now, like I said, let's say, for example, you want to go on TikTok. Go on TikTok, look at your niche, look at your topic, right? If you're going to promote a dog training product, for example, go on the search and search dog training or dog obedience or dog something, right? Look at what the videos are being posted out. Look at what people are posting on there and just replicate. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be essentially creative. You don't have to be anything like that. Really, what you want to do is see what the competition is putting out there and replicate and put your own twist on it. If you see a TikTok video that got millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, and you see that it can fit in your niche, write it down, save it, and then go in and replicate that video with your own twist, with your own, personality in it. And trust me, your TikTok's gonna blow up. And that's gonna lead to getting leads to your offer, getting emails, signups, getting commissions, right? That's the goal. The goal is for you to get people through your funnel and hitting those commissions. And that can be done through TikTok, Instagram, or wherever, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. Same thing goes with Instagram. Go on there, look up dog obedience, dog training, and see what they're posting, and just replicate and put your own twist on it. Learn the platform. Each platform is completely different. Instagram uses a lot of hashtags. TikTok uses hashtags as well. YouTube is more of an SEO, right? A search engine optimization. Pinterest is kind of the same way as YouTube, but they're all different. Study it, study the platform. Take a couple of days, study the platform, and then just learn how it works. Trial and error. This is the whole point of being an entrepreneur, is trial and error and see what works. And let's say, Instagram isn't for you. That's perfectly fine. Like I said, pick one, choose one, and stick to it, master it, and post content. You have to publish your content for people to see. Going back to my thing here, you can be giving away a free Lamborghini through your funnel, but if you never publish a piece of content, who's gonna know? Who's gonna know that you're giving away a free Lamborghini? No one is. No one's gonna know you're giving away a free Lamborghini. That's the importance of publishing your content. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be polished up. The quantity over quality at first. Once you get, seasoned, then you can start building up your quality and maybe pushing down your quantity. But the whole point is to start publishing your content so people can see what you're offering and provide value. It's really important. Provide valuable content. That's the key. Stand out from your competition and provide valuable content, but provide a lot of content so people can start seeing your information, seeing your content, and driving them to your funnel and through your link to get that commission. Now, there's other organic ways that I want to talk about. The secret traffic, I call it. This is really no one talks about, right? No one talks about the secret traffic. You can leverage, other networks, other markets to, provide an affiliate marketing product or service in the back end. Things like freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, all those people were hired. They all have a network essentially of people who are ready to buy services from you. What you can do is provide a service. For example, you can provide it, going back to a dog niche, you can provide a dog checklist or just like, a 30-minute consultation to how to train your dog. If you're good at, providing dog obedience and stuff like that, then at the back end, once you complete your service, you can then provide them a PDF, including some, affiliate links to, a dog training course or dog training products or whatever it is. This is a secret traffic, leveraging other networks or markets and using, affiliate, products or services in the back end. Now let's talk about paid traffic. And I'm not going to get too far into paid traffic because this is not beginner friendly, right? Paid traffic is a very, very tricky subject and there's a lot into it. You got things like Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads. There's a lot of, traffic, paid traffic sources that you can use, solo ads. There's so many, but the whole point of this is you have to give money. As you can see, you have to give money to get money back. That's the thing about paid traffic. You have to, pay a CPC, a click per, paid per click to be able to get money back. So there's no way around it. You had to put in $1 to get $2 back if that was the case. But if you don't do it right, you'll be losing thousands of dollars and just a headache and can make or break your business. That's why I suggest, unless you have a proven product and you have your funnel all set up and ready to go, and it's maximized, then I will highly suggest it just sticking to your organic traffic. Organic traffic is the way to go, especially when you're beginning off. Once you made money and once you're ready to scale your business up, then of course learn paid traffic, learn ads, and then reinvest that into your business so you can scale your business at that point. But until you're at that point, stick to organic methods. And here are some things you need to not do when you're wanting to drive traffic or promoting your products or services. You don't want to be spammy. You don't want to go to any Facebook groups and just post links. You don't want to go to TikTok comments and post links, or Instagram comments and post links, or just try to sell and sell and sell. You're as a marketer or as an affiliate marketer, your job is to fix a problem, right? Provide a solution to someone who has a problem, and not to sell them a product or service. You want to provide a service. You want to provide a solution to the problem they have. If they have a really disobedient dog, your solution is to provide them a training that's going to provide them an obedient training dog product. How you can tell them? You can provide them by saying, hey, we have this awesome product that's going to be able to train your dog in a matter of days or weeks or wherever, right? That's the whole point. You want to provide value, provide information to the customers, to your target audience, to be able to get them to trust you and get them through your traffic, through your link, through your funnel. That's the big thing. If you're just going into, spamming, on Facebook groups, spamming links or spamming, hey, buy my product, buy this, buy that, it's not going to work. Most likely you're going to get banned from those groups or banned from whatever, removed or deleted or whatever the case is. You're not going to be very successful. Provide valuable content. Provide value, right? Provide value. Put that in your head. Provide value before anything else. And then, solve a problem, provide a solution, and everything else will come from that end.
We talked about a lot of things. We talked about how we went over the traffic. We went over some organic traffic, some secret traffic. We went over paid traffic. Now, like I said, as a beginner, someone who's just starting off, I highly recommend go with the organic traffic. Go through TikTok, go through Instagram, Twitter. Choose one, just one, and master that platform. Master it. Learn the ins and outs and start publishing your content. No one's going to know what you're promoting. No one's going to know what you're recommending if you never put something out there. Just start putting things out there. And trust me, success will come. Let's get at it. Make sure you subscribe down below for more. Let's go.